Hi, my name is AJ, and in this quick tutorial, we're going to learn how we can just change the wheel type. So what you're looking at here is a wheel I've created, and by default, wheel types are set to half wheels. This is considered a half wheel. Now, to quickly change the wheel type, all we need to do is to go up to the middle icon up here, which says change wheel type, and we can cycle through some various wheel types. So we have half wheel, we have a full wheel, we have a mega wheel, and we have a 3D mega wheel. So that's as simple as it gets for changing the wheel type of your Spinagle wheel.